Error can be frustrating, but there are some advanced solutions you can attempt beyond the basic troubleshooting steps. Here are a few approaches. Windows registry tweaks, caution advised. Editing the registry can be risky if done incorrectly. It's recommended to create a backup of your registry before proceeding. Search online for instructions on how to do this for your specific Windows version. Check for Roblox login values. Open the registry editor, search for regedit in the Start menu. Navigate to HKEY_current_user, software, Roblox, login. Look for values like username and password. Make sure they are entered correctly. Security disclaimer: avoid storing passwords in plain text. If these values exist, consider using a password manager for better security. Verify Win HTTP auto proxy code detect. Navigate to HKEY_current_user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, internet settings. Find the DWORD value named auto proxy code detect. Ensure the data value is set to 0, disabling automatic proxy detection. Network protocol configuration. This might involve modifying advanced network settings on your router or PC. Consult your router's manual or search online for specific instructions for your device model. Change DNS settings. Try using alternative public DNS servers like Google Public DNS or OpenDNS. This can bypass issues with your ISP's DNS servers. Flush DNS cache and reset WinSock. You can perform these actions using command prompt with administrator privileges. Search online for specific commands for your situation. Software conflicts and antivirus. Consider if any recently installed software might be interfering with Roblox. Try temporarily disabling them to see if it resolves the issue. Check antivirus exceptions. Some antivirus programs might flag Roblox files as suspicious. Add Roblox to the antivirus exception list to see if it helps. Packet capture and analysis, very advanced. This involves using network monitoring tools to capture and analyze data packets to pinpoint where the communication breakdown is happening. This is for highly technical users with network expertise. Roblox community and support. Search online forums like the Roblox Developer Forum for discussions related to Error Code 0. You might find solutions specific to your situation. If none of these advanced solutions work, consider contacting Roblox support directly. Explain the troubleshooting steps you've already tried and provide any relevant error messages. Remember, these advanced solutions carry some risk and might require technical knowledge. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with any step, seek help from a network administrator or someone familiar with these procedures.